We use software to make our office workflow easier and to get all the work done quickly. Among which some are bookkeeping software. They provide improved accuracy, time savings, enhanced efficiency, better decision-making, and cost-effectiveness. We tried nearly 100 software and out of them we found 7 to be very efficient, which we use daily. Today we'll share them with you so you can also benefit like us, so let's get started. First up is QuickBooks, which we found essential for managing our business finances. It allowed us to track expenses and send invoices effortlessly. One standout feature was linking our bank account, which saved time by automatically updating our transactions. This meant fewer errors and more accurate records. Creating invoices was quick and customizable, which helped us maintain a professional image. Automated reminders also ensured we got paid on time. We recommend this tool for small businesses looking to simplify their bookkeeping. Next up is FreshBooks, which allowed us to create and send professional invoices quickly, impressed our clients, and kept our cash flow steady. The automated payment reminders were a great help, which ensured we received payments on time. Next is Zoho Books, which helped us create and send invoices quickly and keep our cash flow healthy with multiple payment options and automated reminders. We also tracked expenses and vendor bills efficiently, which added recurring expenses without hassle. The multi-currency feature was particularly useful for managing foreign transactions and applying exchange rates either automatically or manually. So now we have ZipBooks. This software lets us create and send professional invoices in seconds, accept payments through major credit cards or PayPal, and set up automated billing and payment reminders. Tracking expenses was intuitive with auto-categorization and color coding, making everything clear. Moving on to Wave, which we use to simplify our bookkeeping tasks. This software enabled us to create attractive invoices and send them out instantly. The option for clients to pay via credit card, bank transfer, streamlined our payment process, which helped us get paid faster. Let's talk about Sage Intacct, which we utilize to enhance our businesses. Accounting and financial management. It offered AI-powered continuous accounting that automated tedious tasks, which saved us hours every week. Last up is OneUp, which transformed our bank feeds into accounting entries with 95% accuracy and provided ready-to-use financial reports whenever we needed them. This made it easier to track our financial performance and understand our business's health. We utilized the invoicing feature to handle quotes, invoices, and sales tax tracking. This streamlined our billing process and ensured we stayed on top of our cash flow. The AI-powered cash flow forecast was useful, which gave us automated and customizable projections that helped us. We hope this video gives you a good idea of the possibilities and helps you make the right choice for your needs. Let us know if you have any further questions or would like to share your thoughts in the comments below.